2020 Toyota Camry and doing the window run seal on the driver's side. This could be for 2018 to 2023. Basically, it's this seal right here, guys. I'm going to do my best to show you how to replace it. It was actually a little annoying filming with one hand and doing it with the other hand, but it's this seal right here. Now, if you look at number 2, that's the seal. 3 and 4 are metal guides that are in the door. So when you take this out and put it in, you got to try to put it in those guides. So just wanted to show you that little illustration so you could helps, so you could kind of see what's going on with this. So to get it out, we're just going to grab it basically anywhere you can and then pull it down and out. Be careful with that silver window seal. The window silver belt above you. Those dent really easy and bend super easy. So try not to mess with those too much. Just get the seal out, pull it out. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this out. And when you get it out kind of like this, you just pull it straight upwards. Like I said, try not to mess with those silver, cosmetic little silver things. Okay, so we pulled that straight out. And then we could just work our way across and get it out. Down, it comes out. And then when you get to this side, just pull it straight upwards. Like this. Alright. Now getting it out is the easy part. So I got my new one here. This is a Toyota one. I'm going to link a new one below. But this is the Toyota part number. This fits a 2018 to a 2023. And mine came kind of tangled and mangled. Like, hopefully yours doesn't come like this. But, like, I'm going to have to kind of mold it to how I need it. So, you're supposed to be able to put these in just dry. But I put lubricant on these. A lot of guys don't do that, but a lot of guys do. We just put a little bit of lubricant to make it slide in better. Because there's a lot of friction. It's like a rubber seal. And you're trying to slide it into a metal channel. So basically, the back of this is when you kind of bend it like this and fold it, the back of it gets into like a rectangle shape, and you want to put that rectangle shape in the channel around here, and then slide it down so it'll go down into that metal channel that was from the illustration. Seal Glide is what I use, or you can use white lithium grease. And what you want to do is just put it on the part that's going to be sliding through the metal channel. So don't do a lot, just do like enough to cover the surface. This was kind of a lot, but I put it on the beginning of this and then kind of in the middle. So once you get it in, you just want to have it slide down. So like I said, you might have to like kind of bend this into like form, and then we're gonna push it down like that. That's how it should go. And you should see it kind of start to take form. And you got to remember your window is going to run up and down this. So once you get it in, you can kind of get this corner piece in a little bit. But I got it in on this side best I can. And again, guys, I got like one hand on a camera and one hand doing it. So it's not as hard as I'm making it look. When you have two hands, it's a lot easier. But you get it in a little bit, and then before you do the top, we need to put the other side down in. So I'm going to put a little bit of Seal Glide on this. I'll link Seal Glide down below. Just on the, kind of the back. Just to get it going. Once it takes and it starts sliding in, you're golden, but just sometimes it takes a minute to get going. So go ahead and just keep trying. And now if it's sticking and you're just having trouble, just take it out, try again, take it out, try again. Eventually it'll just go into the correct form it's supposed to be and then go into place. Don't lose your patience and slam it in there. See, now this one's start to go. They may want to start tangling and stuff. Just take your time and get it shaped up right. Now I'm going to get this corner piece in as best I can. Then I'm going to go on the top and then just tuck it in. Make sure that you can see where the window is going to go into it. So once that's in, we're going to just go ahead and do the little corrective forming over here. Alright, and then once you get it in mostly, you could use the window to kind of check your seal, make sure it's good. If the window doesn't want to go up, don't force it, something's wrong. But you could kind of use it to go up, and then once it goes all the way up, you can kind of use it to push in like the last little tiny bit, if it's like poking out just a little bit, because the window will help kind of push it where it needs to go. But you know, don't depend on the window, but you know, you can go up a little bit and see if it's taking shape, and when you're done, the window should go up completely and be fine, and that's it. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.